Hey everyone, Talon Sei checking in here today to give you some quick tips on how to find the off-road trails that you want fast with onX Offroad. Now for starters, as you can see, this map is filled with color-coded trails, which lets you see which are open at a glance. You can filter your map for whatever vehicle you're in, like a 4x4, side-by-side, dirt bike, ATV, and even snowmobiles. So first I'm going to scan this map for trails. I will find one that looks interesting, and now I can tap on any one of these for an overview of distance, elevation, difficulty ratings, open and closed dates, and even width. You generally want to look for currently open trails like this one right here in green. Any orange or red trails are going to be closed for the season or due to inaccessibility. If you tap on a blue featured trail, you will have access to a ton of additional information, including photos and a detailed write-up of what you can expect when you get out there. You can also tap anywhere on the map to unlock a huge library of data. You can find points of interest, after trail activities at recreation sites, and even dispersed camping sites like I'm in right now. Now to top it all off, if I simply click on the Discover tab, I immediately gain access to all of the featured trails in my area, which makes finding your next adventure super easy. Now if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below and consider subscribing for more quick tips like this in the future.